Everybody looks for Durant. Look up above, on the skies, over the stadium, it's the Crown Motors. And here the tornadoes coming with them next even the two lines seem balancing. Look at them go. This is for all the young for the tornadoes in triangle with allocated formation. Look at the unison between man and machine. E formation. Here E stands for tornadoes. Speed means precision. Thrill means perfection. They are leaving behind a trail of awe. Oh my God, look at that. Gravity behind that. Now these are the single event tornado formation. Havildar, Murugesh, Havildar, Hamza, Magnura, Magnificent, the tornadoes for that combination. This is the reverse seat. And now you have a combination of 8 motorcycles. Havildar, Nimesh, Havildar, Sangam, Engage and Sipos. This is the seat balancing and cross-leg balance. We also have Team B, Havildar, Manish, Nag Pawan, Nag Aditya and Sipos Shrenu. This is the rocket formation of the tornadoes. Havildar Ravindra, Havildar Shailesh, Nitin, Sumit Gaurav, Rakesh and Pradeep, and Havildar Nimesh. The main formations are Hamzat, Nag Shakti Bell, Nag Deepak and Nag Chavi. This is the double T. And this is the Mudguard and C combination by Havildar D.K. Yadav. Check this one out. This is a Royal Enfield wheelie. Wheelie, and as young as 2 years. This is a 2-in-1 formation and the blind fish.
Havildar Albert.
The next formation is the sea and fish formation by Havildar Murugesh and Havildar D.K. Yadav. That's another Havildar Manish's Royal Enfield wheelie. And here comes the ladder with head stand for. This is the stand-up jump. Dare not do this. It takes years